You know, sometimes here on Big Bite, I serve up a little pastrami sandwich, maybe even a turkey sandwich, and on occasion, a little knuckle sandwich. But today, I'm switching it up, and it's all about the roll, baby. First up, my chicken avocado egg rolls. Crispy, crunchy egg rolls stuffed with tender chicken, bamboo shoots, garlic, ginger, a little soy, some crisp veggies, oh yeah, and some creamy fresh avocado. Now, you may have to double up on this one, because they're gonna disappear as fast as you make them. So what I'm gonna do right now is I got some green cabbage going down and a little bit of shredded carrot. That's about good. I try to eyeball it, you know, I'll slice enough. But here's the key, is I've got some ginger, some garlic, a little bit of red onion, some red bell pepper, all working with some chicken here. Little bamboo shoots were in here as well. Hit a little bit of soy sauce on top of it. And I'm gonna put this semi-warm mixture, probably, you know, it's about room temperature, but kind of wilt this mixture of vegetables underneath it. Now, the great thing about egg rolls, you can make them any way you want them. You wanna throw in a ton of veggies, great. It's one of my favorite things to make for my sister when she comes over, being that she's a vegetarian, and I gotta kinda, you know, I gotta kinda accommodate, right? Okay, so this is down. Little water on there. So these are gonna sit here and kind of mix up, and it wilts the cabbage a bit. When you wilt the cabbage, you really turn into a good opportunity of being able to roll the egg rolls better. So I need some egg roll skins. Let's see here. Egg roll skins, some milk, some eggs, and for my spring rolls, my shrimp spring rolls, some shrimp. And I've got some water working there, but I'm not gonna do those quite yet. So let me get the skins down. Couple eggs. This is going to be kind of a wash that holds the egg roll together as it works, or as it, you know, fries. Otherwise, you can do it with a toothpick if you've got some deal with eggs you don't want to go through. So those in. A little bit of leche, a little bit of milk. There we go. Let me give this a little whisk. Great binder this is. Now, sometimes if you're really having difficulty getting the egg roll to stay together, I've seen people take the egg roll and actually submerge it in this egg wash. I don't quite go that far. I'll show you my little technique here in a second. Okay, that. Keep these, yeah, if you're making a bunch of these, keeping a kind of a damp towel on top of them will help them from drying out, because once they start drying out, they don't stick together too well. Okay, just pull a few out. Now, this is how I party. I throw it a little bit down like this. That's toward the back of it. I grab a couple pieces of avocado like that. Reach in here, grab some of that mixture of the cabbage and the chicken, like that, with a little bit of the carrot. So over once, over twice. Get it up over there. Now keep all those pieces in, because if they start poking out, well, those are the ones that, that keep it from binding up well. Okay, just like that. Hold it down just a little bit. Make sure it doesn't come apart on you. There we go. That one down in. There we go.